Welcome. Today, we're exploring a fundamental concept in algebra, independent systems of equations. We'll learn how they result in exactly one solution by understanding how lines intersect. First, what is a system of equations? It is simply a collection of two or more equations that share the same variables. The goal is to find a single value for each variable that makes all the equations in the system true at the same time. In linear algebra, systems of equations can be inconsistent, with no solution, dependent with infinite solutions, or independent with exactly one solution. Our focus today is on these independent systems, where the lines meet at one specific point. Each linear equation can be represented as a straight line on a graph. So, a system of two linear equations can be visualized as two lines. The interaction between these lines is the key to understanding the solution. For an independent system, the two lines will cross at exactly one location. This point of intersection is the solution to the system. The x and y coordinates of this point are the values that satisfy both of the original equations. Let's look at a specific example. Our system has two equations, y equals 2x minus 3 and y equals negative x plus 6. We need to find the one pair of x and y values that works for both. When we graph these two equations, we can see the two lines they form. The first line, y equals 2x minus 3, slopes upward. The second line, y equals negative x plus 6, slopes downward. They clearly cross at one single point. The point where they intersect has the coordinates 3, 3. This means the solution is x equals 3 and y equals 3. This is the only combination of values that will make both equations true simultaneously. We can verify this by substituting our solution back into the equations. For the first equation, 3 equals 2 times 3 minus 3, which simplifies to 3 equals 3. For the second, 3 equals negative 3 plus 6, which also simplifies to 3 equals 3. It works for both. To sum up, an independent system of equations always has exactly one solution. Visually, this is the single point where their lines intersect. And finally, the solution is an x, y coordinate pair that perfectly satisfies both equations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.